Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Oracle certification. Oracle is providing the 100% free 11 Oracle certification exam 2026 related to AI, OCI and Fusion certification. So here 100% free Oracle certification exam 2026 and looking to earn Oracle certification for free. In this video I will discover 11 Oracle Foundation and Associate certification exam covering the Agentic AI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure that is OCI, AI database, Oracle Fusion application, ERP, SCM, SCM, CX, EPM and Oracle Guide Learning. So whether you are a student, freshers, software developer, cloud engineer, database developer, database professional, or IT professional, those Oracle certification can help the strengthen your resume and validate your Oracle technology skills. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. Here you can see these are for persons they can get benefited from the Oracle certification. So student, freshers, software developer, cloud engineer, database professional, IT professional. So these are the persons, and there is a list of the 11 certifications. So I'll go through the one by one. So Oracle certification exam covered on this Agentic AI Foundation Associate. So exam number is 1Z0115726. This is the URL. So like that, other exams are there. OCI AI Foundation Associate. This is an OCI Foundation Associate, and this is the Oracle AI Database Foundation Associate, Oracle Fusion AI Agent Studio Foundation Associate, and Oracle Fusion Cloud Application ERP Process is Essential Certified. And next is the Oracle Fusion Cloud Application CX Process Essential Certified, and Oracle Fusion Cloud Application SCM Process Essential Certified, Oracle Fusion Cloud Application SCM Process Essential Certified, and Oracle Cloud Application EPM Process Essential, and last is that Oracle Guided Learning Administrator Foundation Associate. So these are the 11 certificate. When you are opening all the links, URL is given on below of all the details. So here you can see when we'll open we can get this page. So this is the Oracle Guided Learning, or so like that. First we are going through the one by one. So Oracle AI Foundation Associate exam number is this, and there is a format is multiple choice question. Number of question is 40, passing score is 65, and duration is 60 minutes, and exam price is free. So you can go through this and you can register this one and give the exam, and next detail you can find below. So review exam topics, you can go there. So these are the exams, how many questions will come, how many objective from the topics. So you can go through this, all the details you can find, and register and take exam. Here you can go, and there is a Oracle cert view. Here you can see the list of the your certification. Okay, so Agentic AI Certified Foundation Associate, and this you can claim your badge and you will get a certificate on this. So like that, this is the second Oracle Cloud Infrastructure AI Foundation Associate. This is exam number 26, and there are also 40%, 65%, and 60 minute, and exam price is free, and other details you can find below. Okay, so here also you can take exam, you can go to cert view and you can see your result. Like that, next is the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation Associate. So same 40 questions, 65, and this is exam page free. Next is AI Database Foundation Associate. This is also free. Next, there is a Studio Foundation Associate. So this is also free. So like that, all the exams are you can find same time and same details you can find below. And exams are different, and exam code also different. 11601. This is 11451. So exam code will be different. So 11611, and this one 601. So, and this is 62, and this is also 100% free. Next is the Oracle. This is the 631, and this is also multiple choice and free. Next is that this is a 64 and 60 minutes, and this is also free. So this one the final 1150, and this one also free. So all the certificates are free. You can count this one. 11 certifications are there. All are free. And here, if you log into your account and how to go for the exam, so you can go through the step by step. I'll show you. When you will click any of the exam, just like register for free, any of the exam. So if you click this one, so I'll show you one thing. So let me open in private window first. So when you'll open, you will find this page. So this is the page, and here where I'm not logged in. So there is an option to sign into your account, and this is the detail. So you can select one of the this, just like I'm becoming a OCI Foundation Associate. I'm going to click this one, enroll this path, and other details you can find. So there is a step-by-step process, learning process, and final there is a OCI Foundation Associate certification. If you go inside this, so you have not attempted the exam. So you can see this. So here the option is that sign into your account. When you click this, so this sign in page will open, and here you can find your username. You have to provide username and click on next, and you will get a window for the password. You provide the password, then they will send you the one-time password OTP, and you have to provide the OTP. After providing the OTP, you will get a this page. Okay, here how much I have completed, you can see this one. This is total course is for 4 hours 8 minutes. Like that, all the details are there. So there is a practice exam. So if you go this, there is a no not attempted, and if you go there, view chat, and this one, you can find all the details. Okay. So after that, they are telling that here for the exam score, you can go for the Oracle Cert View. If you go to the Oracle Cert View, let it open. So here, log into click log into Cert View. Okay. So due to URL, sometime you will get this one. Just try with the another window, private window. So because I'm not signed in here, so you can get this page. So after sign in, you can get the set view page. There you can find the your score. So these are the exams, and exams are free. So earn associate certifications, and passing the exam required earn this certification. Select each certification title below in the full description. So if you click here, it will give you the all the details. View exam preparations, and this is the exam. So click there. So same page, register for exam. You can go with the step-by-step process and you register this. So in this video, we have learned how to get 11 free certification from Oracle as providing. So all the steps by step process I have shown you, and subscribe more free certification update, Oracle certification and cloud certification, AI certification, and exam guides, career tips, and technology tutorials. So disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. And for any copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com. You can follow me YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. I'll provide you the link, all the details, all the on the description. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Drop them into the comment box. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box, and like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Chirag Mahto tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.